To my channel, and thanks for watching this video, friends. In this video we're going to discuss about Performant Financial Corporation, and let me tell you one thing very clearly: this stock is about to make a big breakout. So just focus on the big breakout which is about to happen. Let me show you why and where. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now if you're looking at this particular stock of Performant Financial Corporation, this stock has been moving in a doldrums for the last couple of years. So more specifically from the lows of 2015, the stock has underperformed quite a big way, and now the way the stock is moving, obviously from the lows of 2020 we cannot calculate this. Obviously you have made 800% move, but this is just an underperformance which has happened because of an unknown event. But right now when things normalized, we have to perceive it in a different manner. So what do we have here? We have 3.36 and $4 which we need to look at on the upside, and as far as the downside is concerned, you have a strict stop loss which one should not cross on the downside. So what do we have here is 1.86. These levels are indeed very big because we are looking at a weekly chart, but the big expansion or the big breakout will give you a decent amount of reward as well. So the risk on the downside is still 1.86. so do not, I will reiterate again, do not go below 1.86 on the downside. And as I told you about the breakout, so you have two specific levels to look at, primarily 3.36 and 4.06. so let's say $4.1, and after $4.1, if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $4.1, it will be considered as a breakout which is happening after 6 or 7 years. So this is going to be very big. So we have to note one single thing, that we have to make sure that the stock successfully crossed 3.36 and more specifically $4.1, and if it starts sustaining above $4.1, we will see the stock moving forward or the stock moving ahead. So after the breakout, if the stock successfully sustains above $4.1, it will be considered as a big breakout, in which case the first target or the primary target that we are going to look here is 5.17. so this is the primary target which we are looking at, and beyond 5.17, the next target over here, so the next target beyond 5.17 will be 7.2, and we have 7.64, we have 7.8. so this is the next big range that will open up for us. What actually happens beyond $4.1 is simply all the previous levels, all the highs that the stock has retested or the highs that the stock has made in the past will be open up for you. So after 7.8, you have 11 and 11.5, and more specifically the highest end of the range or the upper end of the range we have here is $14. So this is how the trend looks like as of now. So we have a very big range ahead. So what do we look for? What do we specifically look for is just $1. Once it's crossed $1 successfully, currently it is trading or closed at $3.3. Once it started moving above $4.1, it is just 80 cents and started sustaining above 4.1, the big range will open up for you, and where you have a decent amount of target if you are looking at the previous moves or the retest of previous high which the stock has made in the year 2013. So this is going to be a sharp trend ahead because the stock is indeed very volatile and the moves in the past are very quick and very sharp. So what you need to do, you need to trail your stop losses. You need to know how much risk I can take, and if the stocks works out in the same way as we are discussing in this video, then probably you will good to go and make a decent amount of profit over a period of time. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.